Good morning. This is Frank with the Morning Quick Shot, brought to you by Trade Stockers and ninZa Pro Traders. It's Tuesday, July 19th, about 7:15 Central Standard Time. First of all, let's take a look at the overnight open here. We're looking at 2160 open, creeped up to 6075 right there, just right after the open, and then we just kind of settled right back through some zones underneath the 24-hour VWAP. We hit the bottom of this zone at 51.25. Now, this zone was here yesterday, and we hit the top of this zone yesterday at 52.75 before the bounce took off, and we started our little, range bound area yesterday. So we're right back down here. It's worked its way back up to this zone, crossing above the 24-hour, and we're right at the fib support, or excuse me, fib resistance at at this level at 56.50. So where are we going from here? Well, it's either going to reject this zone level right here because we are below this market profile line of 2158.12 right here. So it's either going to reject this and come straight back down to this zone, look for a double bottom down here, and then moving back to the long side. Or we're going to come straight down through here, break this 51.25 area down into here, come back up and retest the 51.25, make sure we're going to stay, and then drive right down to the next zone down here. So let's move this chart up a little bit. There's a lot of opening down through here. We can head straight down into this 44 area. Look for a retest up into this probably 46.50 area, right in this area. And then I move down to this 42. Now watch this 42 area and 41 area. This could be some tight consolidation in this area as it moves down. Be cautious of this. If we hit this low area around the 38, look for a rebound reversal and possibly take us back up into some long scenarios. Bottom line is it could reach this previous all-time high that we were had for so long at 34.25. If it does reach for that, if you stop going to the short side, wait for the reversal here somewhere between the 34 and the 30 area, and look to go along again. So as we come back up, just pay attention to these zones coming back up and the previous stops as it made on the way down as your resistance lines. So let's go right back up in here. Now, what happens if we go to the upside? We're looking for this thing to break straight up, probably to the 2060, the open, maybe even squeeze up to the 6075. Look for it to come back and retest. It's probably somewhere around the 57, 57.25 area in this area right here. And then it should go right back up to the top right here, right around 62.50, and then pull back and test this open price one more time, and then look for it to move up into this zone, into the 63, 64 area, and then pull back and retest one more time, at least this area right here, the 60, 75. Then look for it to break all the way through up into the 68, 69 area. All right, this is new territory for us up in here. So as we look, we want to be looking for us for our overall target for today of about 2177. That doesn't seem like much the way this market's moving, but that should be it. So anything after that, we'll be looking at the market profile. So let's take a look at that real quick. So moving to the market profile, similar to what we've been looking at every day, waiting for this move complete. So you can see we came up and we tested this 127.2, the 21.58. We're right up into the 67.75, and we pulled back since then. And all we've done is consolidate between this 42 and 65 area and just got smaller and smaller. So that's why I said watch out for that 41, 42 area. There's a profile line here at the 41.50 area. So watch that. If we break below that, you've got to watch for that next low all the way down to 34, that previous all-time high. So as we watch for this here, as long as it stays above here, we've traded to this candle right in here and moved up. Did not make a higher high. We moved straight down, and now we're consolidating right in here at this 52 to 62 area, 10 to 10 point range. So we need to break out of this. We're getting close to this market making a decision. We're going to break out to the upside, and then we're going to look for this first target here at 67, followed by 77, which we saw on the other chart. That's why I said it's going to be a tough area to get up into. But if we break that, then you'll want to look up at areas in the 87.50 area and above. Long-term targets over the next few days, if we can get it up market, will be the 2206, and that could take a while to get there. Just this market just can't decide. So just trade what you see. Be aware of these targets and these zones as we move up and these profile lines. So if you have any questions, contact Frank at tradestalkers.com and have a great day.